What if you could explore complex oil and gas equipment in an interactive 3D environment? Meet EON Universal, a library of intelligent industrial components designed for building immersive training environments. It starts with more than 8,000 smart components spanning 363 equipment classes, anchored to ISO 14224. Select a component and explore its geometry, anatomy, and information. These components form the building blocks of a complete digital facility. Select the equipment you need, explore how each part works, and bring the individual pieces together to create a detailed training environment. Each component helps you understand the equipment it represents, what it does, why it's there, and how it works. Explore individual parts, examine their anatomy, and see how they fit into the larger system. As the components come together, Universal provides an interactive environment for exploring the equipment and understanding the facility around it. Learn where equipment is located, how different components relate to one another, and how each part contributes to the larger system. The result is a detailed digital environment designed for training, exploration, and deeper understanding of industrial equipment. This is the foundation for what comes next. Genesis, EON Live, Field IQ, everything runs on the digital foundation created with EON Universal. EON Universal by EON AI Ventures.